Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change keyboard size on Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Is your keyboard too small to see? Fortunately, you can increase the size of the keyboard with the default Android keyboard or Gboard. This works across models like Samsung and Motorola. If you're having trouble seeing the entire screen, you can also customize that setting to enlarge everything. So how to resize, how to change the size of your keyboard on your phone. It's so simple. So we'll show you first. You can just open your keyboard like this. Here's the size of my keyboard. If you want to change the size, you can just tap on the four box in here on the up left corner on the keyboard, and you'll find there is an option to resize. You can just tap on that. And in here, if you want to make it bigger, you can slide it up like this. Tap and down, it will turn out like this. And if you want to make it smaller, if it's too bigger for you, you can just slide down like this. So you can see here's the is your you have resize your keyboard. So here's where you can change the size of your keyboard on your Android phone. You can resize your keyboard anytime you want. If you want to make it bigger, you can just do like this. If we want to make it smaller, you can just slide like this. So simple, right? So that is how to change size on keyboard on Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.